Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to send files from iPhone to Android. So the first thing you have to do, you have to activate your hotspot here and make sure that the phones or the Android that you want to send to is connected into your Wi-Fi. And here I already connect my other iPhone, my other phone, which is Android, into my hotspot. And the next thing we have to do, we just need to go into the Safari, and in this Safari you just need to type Snapdrop, and whenever you find it, you just need to go click it, and here you go. Just open the top link or the top and then whenever you open it, you will be able to find out your other device to send, which is the Android. And now you just need to click it, and after that you just need to choose the searches of the files that you want to send to, for example the photo library. And after that you just need to click it and go click add. And now you just need to wait until you both connected, and the file will be sent into your another phone. So that's the way how to send files from iPhone to Android. If you find that this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.